This is a room tour of Junior Suite on Allure of the Seas. It's deck 9, room 240. So Junior Suite 9240. As you come into the room, you can see you've got your bed, the living area, and the balcony. And then the desk over on this side. All right, so for this room, we are located here, and the muster station is on deck 5, E2 by the Cafe Promenade. And then as you come into the room, on the left is the bathroom, and on the right is the walk-in closet. So we will start in the bathroom. So as you come into the bathroom, you got your sink, and then it's a junior suite, so you have a full shower tub combo, and then the shower head is adjustable. And you have Salt and Breeze amenities with the shampoo, conditioner, and soap. And then also in the bathroom, there is storage on the side of the sink. There is some shelving and a little drawer, and a little bit of counter space, and a little bit of storage down below. Okay, across from the bathroom is the walk-in closet. It is a walk-in closet. It's nice and large, lots of shelving, lots of hangers, and you have your Royal Caribbean bathrobes. Also across from the walk-in closet by the bathroom, there is a full-length mirror as well. So then for the room itself, nice large king-size bed, table on each side. Okay. By the bed is the sofa. And you've got nice living space with the chair. And then across from the bed is the desk area. So that's looking back towards the front of the room where we came in with the bathroom and the walk-in closet. And then in this desk area, we have the shelving here in this cabinet with a small safe. It's small. It will hold passport, phone, not wallet, not a lot more than that. At the desk area, you've got a nice lighted mirror on each side. Is shelving behind the small mirrors on each side. And that the only plugs in the room are here at the desk area. You have a European plug and 2 American plugs. There are no USB ports, so you need to bring a plug that's got your USB attachments for it. You've got drawers for storage down below the desk, and then the hair dryer. So this is one of the ones where you have to hold the button down to use the hair dryer. It looks like it's adjustable here, but again, you probably got to hold the button. It's hard to say. But decent hair dryer. And then the Lavazza coffee maker. It's complimentary with your junior suites. Again, you get a decaf and a cafe crema pods. You just open it up. You put your pod in like that. Close it and push the button to make your coffee. Also beside the drawers, you have the cooler. It is kind of small, doesn't hold a lot, but it gets the job done. You have a small TV and then some shelving above the TV. You've got a little ledge over here where you could set things. This does have adjoining door to the other cabin. And then let's go out onto the balcony. We are in Port of Miami. It's a little bit of a gray and rainy day today. But this is a huge balcony. We have 2 lounge chairs on one side. Really deep balcony. We're on the bump out of the ship, so lots of space. And then we'll walk around and get the other side. On the other side, you have a table and 2 chairs. Again, a lot of space out here. And these partitions do open up. If you are traveling with somebody in the room next to you, you can open those partitions up. Again, this is Allure of the Seas. We're in Junior Suite 9240, and it's a rainy day here in Port of Miami. But any day on a cruise ship is a great day.